Manage custom words. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage custom words. First thing, go to your tweets, and then all you need to do is click on this icon, and then you will find here hidden words, and then you will find here custom words and phrases, and all you need to do is click on manage custom words and phrases. So here guys, all you need to do is click here, and you have add words separated by, and you can start. So you can add multiple words, phrases and emojis, so and you can update it anytime you want. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.